Want to grow your own fresh organic vegetables but don't know where to start? Today, we'll explore the top 5 organic vegetable garden starter kits for beginners. Gardener's Supply Company Kit. This kit includes everything from organic soil to seed packets, making it easy to start a healthy garden at home. Back to the Roots Kit, perfect for indoor growing. Just place it by your window and watch your veggies thrive. Seed Savers Exchange Kit. If you love variety, this kit offers rare and organic seeds that support biodiversity. Urban Leaf Microgreens Kit. Grow nutrient-packed microgreens in just 7 days, ideal for small spaces and quick harvests. Planter's Choice Kit. With 9 types of organic seeds and biodegradable pots, it's a complete starter kit for beginners. These kits make gardening simple, fun, and organic. Check the links in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe to Honest Gardener for more tips.